My son's name is Nathan. Nathan is a welder. He enjoys it, loves it. So my plan is that he would graduate from private high school here in Cincinnati and go on to Auburn University, which is where everyone on his dad's side of the family goes to college. It's very obvious now that I have the ability to step back. He had a difficult time in high school in a standard classroom setting. He does much better hands-on learning. Nathan had taken a tour at a local career technical school and was very interested in the welding program. My initial reaction about a career technical school was probably the farthest from the truth. You know, I was projecting my thoughts onto him and my expectations onto him, and it really took a lot of mom maturity to step back and just step up and be there for him. After high school, Nathan found a welding job very quickly. I would say within 3 weeks of graduation, he was working for a local contractor. I remember having a conversation with my own mother, and she said, "Is there really any money in welding? What exactly do welders do?" So as a 19-year-old, he's making $47 an hour. Right. So I thought I was raising a CEO, and as it turned out, I was raising a welder. Who knew? Nathan knew.